Well, thank you for staying with Easy Friday. We now change gears and look at business. My name is Wairi Mujenga. Now, the government is banking on increased pyrethrum production to support pesticide and other chemical manufacturing to reduce the country's chemical import bill. Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe says the government is reforming pyrethrum subsector in a bid to revive pyrethrum production. Kagwe has today inaugurated the Pyrethrum Processing Company of Kenya Board.
Kenya imported insecticides and fungicides worth 20 billion shillings in 2024, a 15% increase from 2023. The government says Kenya is keen on increasing pyrethrum production to reduce pesticide imports and spur local chemical manufacturing. To increase production and streamline operation in the pyrethrum subsector, the Agriculture Cabinet Secretary has inaugurated the Pyrethrum Processing Company of Kenya Board to oversee implementation of pyrethrum policies.
The goal is to revive this sector by concurrently addressing both the supply and demand side factors to not only regain our position in this value chain globally, but innovate to meet the demands of a never more aspirational, environmentally and health-conscious consumer.
Kagwe says the board will also be tasked with creating market linkages for farmers' pyrethrum.
Investing in research and production, providing market linkages for our world-renowned organic pyrethrum.
In a raft of policies, Kenya plans to patent Kenya's organic pyrethrum to increase farmers' earnings.
And we are reclaiming our intellectual property rights and other assets so that farmers and Kenya can earn its rightful share of revenues from production and royalties.
Farmers and chemical manufacturers have been urged to take advantage of the recent ban on several pesticides to manufacture chemicals suitable for the Kenyan farmers.
The rising supply gap from these banned molecules will be filled by encouraging both local and foreign investors to buy from you, the pyrethrum farmer. Add value here so as to create jobs.
Benson Rioba reporting for Easy Friday.